everyone, and welcome to Select by Pinkfilla. Currently, there are thousands of skincare and beauty products in the market. But which ones do we buy? Which ones will actually suit our skin? Affordable or expensive? Which ones are actually worth to buy? Everything looks sponsored. That is why we're here to make your life easier in our segment, Best from the Best. I am Paramita Rana and I'll be testing and reviewing different beauty products for you guys so that you guys know where to spend and where not to spend. And today I'm going to test 4 different liquid eyeliners. So these eyeliners, they come in different price ranges and it promises to be waterproof. I'm going to evaluate these eyeliners on 4 points. Number 1 being the applicator and the tip. Number 2 being the pigmentation. Number 3 being smudge proof. And number 4 being waterproof. So guys, as you can see, I have removed my eyeliner and we are going to try out our first eyeliner for today. Maybelline, the Colossal Bold Liner. And this eyeliner is quite the hype. So let's see what the hype is actually about. So if you see here, while it is drying up, it's giving you a matte finish. I don't know how it would perform on my eyes, so let's see. It is quite a task to achieve that perfect cat wing eyeliner because of the bristles are not precise and it's all over the place. The texture is decent, liquidy, normal, any eyeliner, matte kind of thing going on here. And the pigmentation is also, it is black, but it's not that super intense jet black. So now let's do the smudge proof test. So I was tired and then I was like just rubbing my eyes and oh my god. No, it's not smudge proof. It's gone. Next we have Colourbar Intensify Liquid Gel Eyeliner. So this is Colourbar's latest launch in eyeliners, and one thing I was really excited to try about this eyeliner was because it's gel and it's liquid. But first I'm going to swatch it. It is super duper jet black and I'm already excited to apply it on my eyelids. Trying to make my line even, but it's just not happening. I mean, it's not liquidy for a liquid eyeliner at all. Maybe it's because it's gel liquid eyeliner. I have mixed feelings about this eyeliner. I mean, I was very excited since it was gel and liquid mixed. I mean, I had quite a task applying on my right eyelid. So left eyelid, I just did a thin line and just got over with it. However, I do love the pigment. It's like super jet black. Pretty sure about the brush as well. It's not too precise and I had to like struggle to make the wing. So now let's move on to the smudge proof test and waterproof test. So the next one is Too Faced Better Than Sex Easy Glide Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. Now I've heard their brand's mascara is super good and it did so amazing. What? Are you serious? It's just 0.6 ml and the price for this is 1800. This must be really good. I have super high expectations. Wow, I just love the tip of this. Oh my god, can you see that? Jet black liquid liner. Oh my god. Just look at my perfect snatched cat eyeliner wing. I am so happy with this product. I am so much in love with the applicator brush right here. It is perfect to make that cat eye wing. And talking about the texture is completely liquidy. Pigment is also, it's jet black. So now let's move on to the smudge proof test and waterproof test. All right, it is not smudge proof, it is not waterproof, but it gives you the perfect snatch cat eye wing liner that you want. So last but not the least, we have the special eyeliner, and I was waiting for a really long time to get my hands on this product, and finally I have it here. It's none other than Kat Von D Tattoo Eyeliner. Also, it is just 0.55 ml, and this is the most expensive lot, which is 3,800. So let us see what the hype is actually about. So talking about the tip right here, it is similar to the Too Faced one. And first, before applying on my eyelids, I'm going to swatch it. This is how it looks like on the back of my hand. I have mixed reviews about this product. First, let me start with the application. The brush is no doubt, it's amazing, it's very precise. It helped me achieve the perfect cat eye wing look, but you had to like keep shaking for the product to come out. Like it finished really fast. So the texture is nice, the pigmentation is also good enough. It is jet black, it's nice. So now let's move on to the smudge proof test and waterproof test. Oh my god! None of these high-end expensive eyeliners are smudge proof or waterproof, which is quite a disappointment. So now, time for the results. So this formula and this tip had a baby, then I would buy that eyeliner. So this is it for today's episode. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Select by Pink Villa. Also, if you would like us to try new different beauty products, please don't forget to comment down below so that we can review them. So take care and I'll see you soon. Bye!